When it comes to portable cooking solutions, this CUSIMAX Double Hot Plate stands out as an exceptional choice. This stainless steel, silver countertop burner is designed to provide efficient, versatile, and convenient cooking options for a variety of settings. Whether you're a college student, a busy professional, a camper, or someone who simply needs an extra burner in a small kitchen, this double hot plate offers the functionality and reliability you need. Let's dive into a comprehensive review of the CUSIMAX Double Hot Plate and explore why it might be the perfect addition to your cooking arsenal. One of the key features of the CUSIMAX Double Hot Plate is its compatibility with a wide range of cookware. The hot plate supports pots and pans with a maximum size of 7.4 inches for the left plate and 6.1 inches for the right plate. Whether you're using glass, aluminum, or other materials, this hot plate heats cookware efficiently with minimal heat loss. This versatility eliminates the need for specialized cookware, making it a cost-effective and practical choice for any kitchen. The CUSIMAX Double Hot Plate is equipped with cast iron burners, which are known for their durability and excellent heat retention. Operating the hot plate is straightforward. Simply turn the knob to adjust the temperature. The built-in thermostat ensures that the burners maintain the set temperature by automatically cycling the power on and off. While it takes a few minutes for the cast iron burners to heat up and about 15 minutes to cool down, this feature ensures consistent and even cooking. For those who prefer faster heating, CUSIMAX also offers an infrared burner option. Powered by a standard 120V outlet, the CUSIMAX Double Hot Plate delivers a combined power of 1800 watts to 900 watts for each burner. This powerful heating capability allows you to cook a wide variety of dishes, from warming sauces and scrambling eggs to grilling cheese and boiling pasta. The double burner design enables you to prepare multiple dishes simultaneously, making it ideal for busy kitchens, dorm rooms, offices, camping trips, and RVs. Its portable design and ease of use make it a valuable addition to any culinary setting. Safety is a top priority for the CUSIMAX Double Hot Plate. Unlike induction cooktops, which use electromagnetic radiation, the cast iron burners heat through direct contact, ensuring there is no harmful radiation. The hot plate features an automatic safety shutoff function, regulated by a thermostat, to prevent overheating. This safety feature is complemented by a thermal fuse for added protection. The durable stainless steel body is built to withstand frequent use, and the non-slip rubber feet ensure stability during cooking. CUSIMAX is committed to customer satisfaction, offering a 30-day money-back guarantee and free lifetime customer service. All CUSIMAX products are covered by U.S. product liability insurance, providing peace of mind with every purchase. The company stands behind its products, ensuring any issues are promptly resolved. However, it's important to note that all warranties are void if the product is used improperly. The instruction manual provides detailed guidelines to ensure safe and effective use. The CUSIMAX Double Hot Plate is more than just a kitchen appliance. It's a versatile cooking solution for various scenarios. Imagine hosting a holiday gathering and needing extra cooking space. The CUSIMAX Double Hot Plate seamlessly integrates into your kitchen setup, allowing you to prepare multiple dishes simultaneously without compromising on space or efficiency. For college students living in dorms or individuals residing in small apartments, this hot plate offers the convenience of preparing home-cooked meals without relying on communal kitchens. Its compact size and portability make it an ideal choice for those with limited kitchen facilities. Camping enthusiasts and RV travelers will find the CUSIMAX Double Hot Plate to be an invaluable tool. Its lightweight design and powerful heating capabilities allow you to enjoy hot, delicious meals even in remote locations. Whether you're making breakfast at a campsite or preparing a hearty dinner after a day of exploration, this hot plate delivers consistent and reliable performance. Final thoughts: the CUSIMAX Double Hot Plate is a versatile, efficient, and safe cooking solution that caters to a wide range of needs. Its compatibility with various cookware, powerful heating elements, and compact design make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their cooking capabilities. Whether you're a student, a traveler, or simply need an extra burner in your kitchen, this hot plate delivers exceptional performance and convenience. If you found this review helpful and want to see the full product specifications, click the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews.